Here we go one more time with another video tour by ATK Performance. Check it out, guys. Today we have a 2020 Dodge Charger RT 5.7 BA Hemi engine with a nice set of 20 inches yellow black wheels. Check it out. The way it sounds, woo! A lot of power here, and a lot of fun also. Let me turn it on the car. Oh, leave it on. Leave it on? Okay, leave it on. Let's see, guys. Today, Wednesday. Beautiful morning here in Hollywood, Florida. All right, guys, any comments, any suggestions, please comment below. All right, check it out. Hemi Kumo tires, 20 inches yellow wheels with a yellow calipers. I don't see any scratches by this size of the driver fender. This is your windshield, no cracks. This is your roof, rear window, nothing. Little thing over here. This is an extra thing. Check it out. Make it look more sporty, I believe. Let's go under. Check it out, guys. Have a better idea of what I have. Okay, if you are looking for a big sedan like this one, I don't know what is in your mind. Maybe a Porsche Panamera, a CLS Mercedes 5 Series BMW. Well, this is another option. A powerful option, strong BA here. All right, this is your other wheels. I like the combo. Let's see the interior. A lot of sound here. Okay, very well maintained here. Seats, very nice cloth seats. No smells on the car. Headliner, let me see the headliner. Yeah, headliner is in good condition. Front seats, very nice. Automatic transmission. Let's keep moving forward. All right, let's go over here. Power windows, folding mirror controls, power locks. What we have here: power seats, very well, in very good condition, very nice. Armrest, automatic transmission, paddle shifters. This is extra. You have your backup camera right there. Okay. Ooh. Navigation, very nice. Push start button. Condition of the dashboard. Love it. The cup holders, very nice. And you have a cover, of course, for the steering wheel. Now you can see the condition of the steering wheel. Yep, right there. Very good. All right, so let's keep going. Oh, Alpine sound system. That is the brand that it comes with this 5.7 Dodge Charger. All right, let's go to the front. You have your front headlights. This is your hood. This is the only scratch that I have here. This grill kind of lost the original black color. 2 screws here if you want to put a front tag. I don't see any scratches over here. I will tell my guy to adjust this. I'll put something here to hold it. You see? Hemi logo or Hemi lettering. Roof, antenna. No cracks on the rear window. Oh my goodness, the way it sounds, love it. How a BA is supposed to sound, right? Very nice. Charger lettering right there. Dashboard, I'll show you already. Navigation. This is your cloth seats. No wear and tear. Wow. Very nice. Let's go home there and check it out. Alright, this is your rear wheel by the passenger side. The brand of the exhaust is carbon. You can see the sensors, back a camera. You open the trunk. Batteries right there. Okay. Big trunk, by the way. Dodge Charger. All right, let's go and take a look at the bottom. This is the type of 4-door sedan that is telling you, drive me, do what is right. All right. If you are into muscle cars, this is one great option, guys. Charger. All right. Very nice. Over here, let me open the hood. 5.7 liters VA right there. I have all the information available, like a Carfax, price, miles on my website. If you need extra pictures or any questions, guys, just comment on the section below. And do not forget to subscribe the channel. Oh my goodness. Very aggressive look, sporty. Let's go for a quick test ride. All right. Woo, guys, it's hot. It's really hot. We are just in March. Look, 82 degrees, guys. 82 degrees already. And it's 11 o'clock. Almost 11. 10:45. Summer is gonna be epic. When I came to this country 25 years ago, I was a little bit whiter. Take a look at my skin now. Florida, thank you. And I'm on the industry like a little bit more than 10 years. First job that I have here was construction. Again, all the work that I did in construction was upside. And today, taking pictures, making video tours of cars, upside also. Like it's chasing me, the outdoors. Love it. All right, let's go. A little push. Very nice. This is my smooth operator. Beautiful driving, engaging driving experience, guys. All right, I hope this video helped you to take the right decision if you are trying to decide what type of muscle machine, what type of BA 4-door sedan you're gonna purchase. Well, let me know in the comments below. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. Blessings your way. Florida East Coast train. Bye bye, guys. See you next time.